Okay, so let's do a walkthrough of Expo 2025. See how fast I could go without getting kicked out. So either I'm going to get kicked out, stopped, or whatever, but I'm going to walk through the entire Expo until the battery runs out. So let's go ahead and give it a go. All right, we're going to move fast over here. And I'm just going to continue going straight. I made sure that it was towards the end of the day right now, so it's about 4:45, 4:35. And this way I could give like a quick kind of show of what's going on in here, just so you guys can see it. I mean, because it's so hard to really capture this entire event and what's going on. I mean, just all the big boys are here, from Toro, Greenworks. So we're pretty good on it. I think I'll be able to move pretty fast. And nobody will pick it up yet. Let me bust through over here. Let's take a walk down over here. Try to make sure I stay out of too many people, but at least you guys can see what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and walk through. This is sketchy. You got DeWalt's whole area over there. Skag, Echo, Caterpillars down over there. I mean, I'm not going aisle by aisle because I'll be walking all day long, but I am trying to catch as much as I can here. Let's cut through over here, through Echo. This is a nice booth. Oh, let's go ahead and take a look at Cat. Down over here. Oh, we got a lot of traffic. Let's check out Kubota, walk through Kubota. They got Bobcat. Bobcat's always beautiful. Let's walk through their booth really quick. It's always good to walk around people's booths and see what's going on. Crest, I did a good video on them. Awesome guys, really like them a lot. Milwaukee's down over there. Go ahead and continue to hit it down. Now I'm booking it at almost like a speed walking pace right now. Here's Milwaukee over here. Always like to walk through their stuff. They always have a beautiful booth. Let's see if we could head on down before we get. Okay, cool. So we made it pretty good ways down. There's still a whole nother area down there. I mean, like I said, I'm not going to cover every single aisle, but I'll definitely try to do as much as possible before somebody sees it. feel like GTA right now, Grand Theft Auto. Let's go ahead and check out the Viper area. Yeah, I know. Really nice gear over here. Oh, there's some people over there. Well, I made it through a good portion of it. Nobody saw it yet. So let's go ahead and keep on going down. Get away from it, from the people. I've been doing this pretty much at all the conferences I go to. I'll wait till the end of the day. Still recording, still following. Pretty cool. Segways down over there. All kinds of different manufacturers. This is a killer company over here, Warhawk. Really cool gear. Let's keep on trucking over here. I mean, there's just so much to cover in this event. It's really, really crazy. Let's see if I can cover the whole thing in one pass. Keep on booking it. I mean, I got a whole nother area down over there. Now this is where it goes into make sure nobody crosses into it. Got to get out of that traffic. Okay. Maybe we can make it to the end. Uh-oh. Let's go ahead and make our way down over here. Oop, security. I see security over there. Uh-oh. I'm going to be a little careful about where I terminate. Finish out over there. Let's walk around over here. Oh. How we're gonna go around this?
I think we're gonna run and see if I can talk to you real quick. All right, see you. You gonna be here tomorrow? All right, see you.
Well, look at that guy. How we're gonna go around this?
I think we're gonna run and see if I can get on the cocky east real quick. All right, see you. You gonna be here tomorrow? All right, see you.
Well, look at that guy. Let's back up. I just changed the battery out. Fresh battery. So we'll go ahead and go down a couple little areas down over here. By that John Deere over there. Coming through to your left.
A little extra speed, yeah.
We got Hustler down over there. I mean, this show has everything. How we're gonna go around this?
I think we're gonna run and see if I can get on the cocky east real quick. All right, see you. You gonna be here tomorrow? All right, see you.
Well, look at that guy. Woo! I like that. Coming through. Looks like we made it. I did cover everything pretty much. I didn't cover the back portion because it was a little sketchy. But enough to be dangerous. I'm gonna have to take an Uber back. I'm tired. All right. We did a circle around. are pretty much done. Okay. Okay, there you have it. I walked through the Expo 2025, indoor and outdoor. Man, I was gunning it. My feet hurt, and I'm telling you, I'm really tired. That was a lot of walking in such a short time. I didn't cover every single aisle, but I was just trying to stay away from people, security, because if they see it, they're going to tell me to stop and might even kick me out. I know they do that in Vegas, but I've been doing it for the past couple events that I go to, kind of towards the end of the day, just after I've gotten all the footage I wanted. So this was just the last one that I really kind of wanted to do, the major one. So I got all the footage I needed for here at Expo. So make sure you watch the main video, but this is the walkthrough video in case you've never ever experienced it or you couldn't attend. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe and that like button to support Homestead Garage and my journeys through these conferences that I go to. Talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed day.